What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the next part of our Shopify series, and in this video I will be going over the gift card section within Shopify. So of course, my name is Angelo. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, that way you all will be notified every time I post new videos. After you do that, go ahead and click the link down below in the description to join my Facebook group Sublimation Cove, where we cover the topic of sublimation. And then after you do that, if you need any type of sublimation ink or pigment ink for your business, be sure to hit the link down below and we'll get it sent out to you ASAP directly from the owner of Cosmos Ink. So the very first thing you want to do is, when you are on your home page, come down to where it says products and then come down to click on gift cards. So since this is a brand new site, and more than likely your site is going to be brand new as well, and or you haven't added any gift cards just yet, you're going to have two options. The first one says sell gift cards, which is make a gift card product for customers to buy, and this will be directly on your site. Or you can click on the other option, which says send gift cards, issue a gift card code directly to a customer. So the first one we're going to do is we are going to click on sell gift cards. So once we click on sell gift cards, it's kind of gonna look just like a product listing. So you have your title, your description, a spot where you can add, like your gift card photo, whatever you want to add here. And then underneath that, you have a few other things that are new, like you have denominations, that's new. Actually, that's the only thing that's new, is not a few things. And then you have the other regular stuff as well. So of course, our title, I want to name it something that I feel like people are going to get on my website for. So for instance, since this site is going to be geared towards newlyweds, I'm just going to put newlywed gift card. Space, and of course we're going to do our shift and click the button that's right next to the enter key that has the slash, well, the forward slash, and then it'll give us this line. We're going to hit space and we're going to add our company name, Forever Song, and then alt 0153 for the TM. So after that, you can put a little description there. Of course, I'm not going to type it out fully or anything like that. I'm just do our whatever language that is. All right, and then after that, we are going to come down, and if you have any media, you can go ahead and add it here. I don't have any media, but if I did, I would make something kind of similar to what a lot of gift cards are going to look like. Like they have a nice background to the gift card. After the background, they're going to have their company name on the gift card. If you are only selling one certain amount, you can put that amount on the gift card. Or if you're selling, a few different amounts, you can put, for instance, we're doing 10, 25, 50, and 100. I can put 10 right here, 25 here, 50 here, and 100 here. So that way they know, hey, those are the different increments that, we sell them in. Or, however you want to do it, that's how you do it. So you can also add another denomination. You can add another one, add another one, add another one. So yeah, it seems like you can add, a nice amount of different amounts for the gift card that people can be able to purchase. All right. So after that, of course, I'm not going to go through this down here. We already did this, but if you want to do it again, you can just hit edit web SEO, and then you can be able to edit it just like we did back within our product listing within our previous tutorial. We'll scroll back up to the top. We have active or draft. Active, when you click it as active, it's going to show on your website within that certain collection that you have it in, or just within the all products tab. But if it's on draft, it's not going to show. However, you can still edit it on your back end within your products section right here, which once we save it, that's where it's going to go to. Of course, we have our sales channel. We're going to leave it on online store. Product type. So we're going to select gift card, but more than likely, if it's your first time doing this, you're not going to have this option right here. So you can just type it out, gift card. And if you don't have it, once I hit this D, this down here is going to say add gift card. And then you just click that and it'll add it to it. All right. So we have a gift card, vendor. We're gonna leave it at Forever Song, which is us. Collection. We're gonna add this to. Actually, we're not gonna add that to any collection just yet. And then tags. We're gonna put in. We're gonna put in gift cards or gift card, and then click that, add gift card, and then it adds it. So once you're done with all of this, you are going to hit save gift card product or click save up here in the corner. And it is properly saved. And if you want to, I can just go up here, switch this to active and hit save. And you are good to go. If you notice, when you look at the variants, yes, you can add an image for each individual variant, which of course is going to be the denominations and, you know, the price of that variant. When you scroll over, you notice there is no quantity. All right. And that's because Shopify doesn't track quantities of your gift cards. So there's no need for you to panic saying, oh, I don't know how to check my quantity. You can't track it. All right. There is no quantity. All right. It is pretty much unlimited. All right. So for denominations, this is how much your gift card is valued at. And then the price is how much you sell it for. So let's say if I want to sell, you know, a $10 gift card, let's say, hey, if you buy the gift card, I'll give it to you at 50% off. So I'll give it to you for $5. And you can hit save. And then now this should remain $10. Yep, see, it still remains $10. So you can give away a gift card to your customer that's, you know, $5 and be like, hey, if you just buy a gift card, you can just use, you know, $10 worth for $5, which, you know, will definitely be a good deal on, you know, their end and possibly on your end to attract more customers. But if you want to change that back, we can just change it back to $10, hit save, and then boom, it'll save it. All right. And just like I said earlier, if you want to add your multiple denominations up here in the corner, as far as when you design your image, you can. However, now that we know down here, we can add pictures to each individual one, kind of like how we did with our other product listing when we had multiple pictures and then we assigned each picture up here. We just assigned each picture to each variant down here. You can do that as well. So you can just do one gift card right here that says $10 and then upload another image that says 25, another one 50, another one 100, and then come down here, click on this picture, and then all the pictures that you have up here in this media section, they will show right here, and you can select each picture for its corresponding variant. So once you all are done with all of that, of course you'll hit save. We don't have to hit save because we didn't change anything. If we did, erase a period just for it to come up, hit save and product save. And then we can hit the back button. So when you hit the back button, it's not going to take you back to gift cards. It's going to take you to all products, and then it's going to list your gift card right here. However, if we go back to click back on gift cards, as we notice, it looks completely different. So now you don't get the sell a gift card option, you only get the issue gift card. However, if we are to go back to, let's say, all products, go to gift cards and go to gift card products right here, instead of it showing all the products, it will show only our gift card that we have. Of course, it's going to show it as a product. But let's say we want to make more gift cards. So we have a newlywed gift card. Let's say we want to offer a Black Friday gift card. We can click right here for duplicate. And instead of putting a copy of newlywed gift cards, let's put Black Friday gift card. Or better yet, we're gonna do anniversary gift card because I'm gonna use a Black Friday later on. I'm gonna show you all how to set that up. So let's say anniversary gift card. And this will be perfect for, of course, wedding anniversaries. So we can hit duplicate product. And then of course you would put an anniversary gift card down here in the description. Make sure you type that out yourself. Like I said earlier, don't use templates. Just do everything original within your description in your own words. After you do that, come down. You can add anniversary right here if you want to, but we're not going to do that. And then we just hit draft is good, hit active. We can hit save. We're going to keep everything the same, the denominations, the prices. As you can see, our search engine listing preview did update right here. If you want to edit that, you'll hit that button and come down here and edit it. Of course, never touch your URL and handle, never change that. And then we hit the back button. And now if we go to gift cards, go to gift card products, as you can see, now we have two different types of gift cards. So from here, let's go back to gift cards, and then we're going to try out this one, which is called issue gift card. And with issue gift card, it says when a customer buys the gift card from your store, or you can issue one to them, it will show up here. So of course that will show up here, but of course we want to issue a gift card. So with this, I recommend not changing your gift card code. Leave it exactly as is. All right. And this option is good for if you have value customers, repeat customers, people that keep on coming, back to back to back, or if you're doing a giveaway and you want to give away gift cards to random people who, entered in your contest. Of course, they have to provide their email address. And then once they, win, you take down the email address and you enter it right in over here, and it'll send them the gift card. So for us, the initial value was $10. Let's do it to, let's see, 1, 2, 3, Fake Street at nunya.com. And also I can create a new customer from that, but we're not going to do that. But if you do have a customer, of course, you will come over here to your customers tab. You will open that. And once you click on that, of course, we don't have any customers right here just yet, because like I said, we're still in the design process of the back end of our website. But once you start to get customers, whether they are buying something, whether they sign up for your newsletter, if they go anywhere where they put in their email address and their name, is going to add them to this list. All right, and this list is extremely valuable, so protect it. All right, so come back over here. You'll be able to type their stuff in right here, and it should pop up, and you can click on it. If it don't pop up, then you can add them if you want. The choice is yours. Next thing after that, you have expiration date. So it says countries have different laws for gift card expiry dates. Check the laws for your country before changing this date. So definitely check the laws, of course, within your country before doing this. You can set it to no expiration date, but that's up to you if you want to do that, or you can do set expiration date. So for me, I want to do, let's say 6 months out from now, which will put us at, I want to say July 10th. So we'll change this to July. We'll do July 10th. Set expiration date, July 10th. That's good, this year. And then you can be able to add notes right here if you want to. And it says these notes are private and won't be shared with the customer. So that's just for your back end. So once you do all of this, you hit save. And there you go. So now it shows the current balance, which is $10 out of $10. And what else? You change this expiration date from never to July 10th. So it marks down all your history. We can hit back. So now when you hit back in your gift card section, and if I refresh this page too, just to make sure, in your gift card section, it's going to show the gift card that you gave out and what it's ending in. and of course how much money is left. So if somebody want to come in here and make a purchase, they can either do a full purchase or do a partial purchase, and then it'll show, you know, how much money they have left, if they have any left after that purchase, and you know, pretty much their available balance on that gift card. All right, so since this was a fake one, of course we are going to select it and go to disable gift card, and if we have to delete it, hopefully we can, but it don't seem like it. So of course we're not going to worry about that, because this is for, once again, tutorial purposes. All right, so from here, that's pretty much everything. We got gift card products right here, and if I were to go back to all products, it's going to show the gift card we added earlier, which was newlywed gift card, and it's going to show the one that we added after that, which is the anniversary gift card. So that is pretty much it. That wraps up this tutorial on gift cards within our Shopify series. Of course, please continue to watch the series. I will have more videos coming up right after this one. So of course, before we head out, my name is Angelo. Be sure to hit the subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel. After you do that, be sure to join our Facebook group, Sublimation Cove, which is where we cover the topic of sublimation. You can hit that link down below in the description as well. And after you do that, be sure to check us out on cosmosink.com. So if you need any type of sublimation ink or pigment ink for your custom printing business, be sure to hit that link down below and we'll get it sent out to you directly from our warehouse ASAP. So that is it. I will see you all in the very next video. Angelo out.